Hey everybody, here on our addition project. I wanted to show you a few things here before installation comes in here tomorrow. Well, we still have all the framing open, you can still see everything. Few little details. I want to show you some extra steps here. Just some minor things here. You got some, you can see all this backing here. This is actually plywood on the in the wall there. That'll be set up. They can mount a TV there. Just add some extra support so it's easy to do it now. Just kind of stuff that we reuse throughout the project. That's a lot of their plywood left over from forming. Save some material where we can. Here's another spot. Ready. All the electrical in here, nice and clean. This is a doorway. That's where it's going to connect to the rest of the house. So it's convenient in this sense that we can just leave it all closed off here during construction. Keeps all the dust and stuff out of the house, and then when we're ready for finishing, when we're ready to install the door after drywall, then we'll cut that open. And flip the camera around here on this one to show you a little bit better in this bathroom. This one we're working with a really tight space. There's some basically existing toilet and sink in here, and we added a small corner shower. A little bit unconventional, but we kind of recessed it into this corner to try and give them the most amount of room in there. Same thing up here on our bulkhead, so it'll be tight, but definitely maximize the space. And you see this wall here, this stuff here. This is actually isoboard, polyisoboard. So that's a really thick, dense insulation, and in this particular case, we were allowed to just keep this wall the original thickness, which was a 2x4 thickness. Now normally we'd have to make this deeper wall out to a 2x6 wall, like you can see all our new walls here, 2x6 for the added insulation. But in this case, existing bathroom, small enough space. You know, we talked with the inspector and said, you know, we're gonna lose everything on our toilet and all the plumbing in here. And he suggested, yeah, we can just go ahead and use the isoboard and keep our existing wall. Not conventional, don't expect to have that happen, but normally you've got to bring it out to a full depth to get our full insulation value. We had designs drawn up to have a additional door here, a side door. They opted to not put it in here for the time being. What we did though is we have it framed. You can see these two, there's a double stud over here, double stud over here. So it's framed, ready for a door to cut out in the future whenever they want to. And we also had to give our electricians a heads up to make sure that they didn't run any wire through there. A couple other things here. You want to see your electrical do nice clean lines all the way through. Stay tuned and we'll see you on the next one.